Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to our pre-cut mineral matrix block of the month. This quilt was designed by Tony Steer of Wing and a Prayer, and this program will run for 13 months. The quilt finishes at 104 inches square. In your welcome packet, you're going to receive, of course, your pattern, and this is the entire pattern for the entire quilt. And also in this month packet, you will receive your fabrics. These are the beautiful earthy blue tones of Banyan batiks. And as I mentioned, this is pre-cut, so all of your fabrics are labeled for you. Fabric 1, fabric 2, with the dimensions. Also in your packet is our welcome letter, and there is a lot of important information in our welcome letter. First of all, it will tell you your billing. Your billing for this program will be on the 30th of every month. And inside our welcome letter, you will see a beautiful picture of your finished quilt, along with some important QR codes. The first one is to our Facebook group. Please join our Facebook group. Share your progress along the way, post a picture. If you get stumped or stuck, post a question. We'll get right back to you, or someone in the group might get back to you. You might also make some lifelong quilting friends in our Facebook group. The second QR code is your fabric key. If you have any questions with which fabrics goes where, be sure to check out the fabric key. The third is our newsletter where we post what's happening at Stitchin Heaven and also advertise upcoming block of the months. If you missed Mineral Matrix, please be sure to check out our website under the Block of the Month tab, and you will see a wide variety of different Block of the Month options. And of course, if you need to update any of your information, that is included on the fourth QR code. And on the back of the welcome letter is our hours and how to reach us. So we have 100% happiness guarantee here at Stitchin Heaven, and we hope you enjoy this mineral matrix. Thank you for being part of Stitchin Heaven. Bye-bye.